everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sevim. Today we are going to install Terraform. Terraform is an infrastructure automation tool that allows companies to manage infrastructure by using code. The tool itself is written in Golang, which makes it easy multi-platform compatible. Installing Terraform is not like installing usual applications. It involves downloading the binary and modifying the environment variables. Understanding how to install Terraform is crucial when designing an infrastructure as code strategy and is a foundational concept when building CI/CD pipelines to deliver infrastructure. So let's get started. I'm going to use EC2 instance to connect. If you want, you can use another command line interface. Let's go to instances. First, we are going to connect to Linux and connect. Session manager connect. Now we are connected. Let's go to home directory. I'm going to download Terraform zip file. Let's download. Okay. Let's unzip this file. Let's move this file to local bin, use the local bin directory, and check the Terraform version. Okay, and that's it. We are going to install it to Windows now. Let's connect to Windows instance now. If you have Windows computer, you can do that on your command line as well. We have a new directory now. Let's download the file with invoke web request. Now we are going to extract the file and we are going to remove the zip file. Let's list the file, list what is inside. Okay, let's update the path with new environment variable. Let's check the Terraform version. Okay, it's installed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.